Yeah, with padre. Time for testy. You slept. Yeah.
Did you get disinfected, Adonis?
Disinfectant. Good cat. Yes. A high five. Do you want a treat? Okay, you want to eat from the table like this. Look, a baby? Yeah.
Are you guys celebrating?
Yeah. Do we do a testy? And when do we do it? Annabelle, she's witnessing. Yeah. Yeah. Do you want gravy? There she is. You witnessed a lot. Yeah, you're wrong. So, with padre, I guess it's 2 treats. One before, one after. Good boy. Adonis, are you coming? I will give you a treat afterwards, I promise. Thank you. So, maybe a treat? Yeah, I know. Hey, got it. Yeah, that's your 3rd treat. That's good. And then, yeah, okay. Yeah. Annabelle also is coming, yes. Annabelle. Yeah. We go out. He's hissing at himself. Disinfect. It wasn't so hard, right? Yeah, I know. Look.
Annabelle, don't leave.
Oh no. Some big chunks. Fun. Yeah. I know. Please. Okay. So, be careful. Yeah. 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 Okay. Yeah, you will also get a treat. No?
So Papa needs to calm down. And he says you're spicy with the insulin.
Here's your treat. Because you were such a brave cat. Away. Yeah. This is Mr. Penguin. Just so your ears not so freezing cold. Do we need to have the dog? Here. Yes, sir. Yes. And now we do this. Yeah, disinfect. Come on. Yeah, we calm down. Yeah, Adonis, come on. You were so calm. Annabellita. Yeah, you had to witness that.
What's happening?
Padre, come. Yeah, up. Not spicy anymore. What do you need, Mr. Penguin? Yeah. And the other one runs away. There. Such a problem.
You Papa.
Yeah.